Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's see what's showing up for you today, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you so much for being here again today and for all the love that you send to the channel. And if you're new here, Pisces, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, getting over heartbreak here it seems. Oh, 10 of Cups and center of my spread. I love that. Hermit. 6 of Wands. Ace of Swords. And the 6 of Pentacles. And overall energy is the Ace of Pentacles, Pisces. That's a beautiful, beautiful card to get as an overall energy. So let's see what's going on here. So I do have somebody kind of healing from heartbreak now, putting some kind of burden down, maybe making a choice, making some kind of a choice regarding a commitment, something that, what is this? Somebody is happy about somebody is so happy about. Okay, got it. All right. 1 second. Yeah, somebody's trying to get out of hermit mode now. I think they're making a choice after maybe some commitment didn't happen. Maybe now they are wanting to start something new here. What I'm going to do, Pisces, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, and then I'm going to clarify these cards, okay? But this is a very interesting read from what I'm seeing. It's almost like, accepting what hasn't worked and still wanting to be happy and moving on to finding happiness. Amazing. Okay, so Pisces, let me start with some dialogue message cards. Pisces and their person, if they could say something to each other now, Spirit. Pisces and their person. Let's take a few from here. Pisces and their person, Spirit. They could say something to each other now. Pisces and their person. All right. I'm going to take a couple more from here, Pisces, and then we'll begin your reading. All right. Good to go. So, the first card I have here says, I always chose you every damn time, every damn day. You say you want me, but your actions don't match with your words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. So maybe this was very one-sided. Nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness as to how our two distinctive souls are joined together energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared because it scares the F out of me too. Just give me a second, Pisces. My battery seems to be running low. 1 second. All right. This third card says, I try to detach and let go, then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy which takes me over. Damn it. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. I want to welcome you into my family. You're half of my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. Yes, this is the focus to get this, you know, loving each other, the children, the house, the whole jig. That's what somebody's been dreaming of. I'm afraid of losing you. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. So let's see what's going to happen then. Pisces, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, forgiveness. Pause and forgiveness. So I don't know if Pisces, either you have to forgive your partner for hurting you. I don't know. Maybe you have to forgive yourself because you may have blamed yourself that something didn't work out in the past, or I don't know. Let's see what's happening here. Spirit-wise, the Three of Swords in reverse here with the Ten of Wands in reverse. Three of Wands in reverse. Oh, something ended very, very painfully. Very painfully. Felt betrayed, felt somebody hurt you big time. And now I think you are making a conscious choice, maybe to forgive this entire connection. And somebody is planning to now maybe hold back, take care of themselves, and put this burden down. So, Ten of Wands, Spirit. Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. Maybe start anew somewhere, get a fresh new beginning. And because all communication, I think, has halted between the two of you at the moment, right? There is no talking, no communication. One person is on the verge of now saying, if it's not going to happen, then, F it. I don't want this anymore. I just want, a renewal of my own life. And what's this Lover, Spirit? Lovers. Yeah, somebody's making a decision now, a choice that, this person brought in too many secrets. There's too much of things that were hidden maybe in this connection. Maybe this person was a bit of a player, never kind of committed, had secrets, or never opened up to their partner. So I think somebody is kind of making a choice here to go on towards something new now, maybe a stable brand new beginning. As much as they hoped for this person to bring it to them, I don't think that's happened. And now somebody is making a conscious decision to just go on for a fresh new start somewhere else. Now, kind of thinking of where to invest now or what to do. Maybe they're thinking back on their partner to feel, this person never really made any effort to maybe commit to them or bring in any kind of stability to them. And maybe was sitting on their high horse, maybe on their ego and pride. As much as I think for whoever this person is who's trying to heal themselves is always wanted, I think, the Ten of Cups with them. I don't think that really happened. Yes, there was too much unrest in this connection. Waiting. Somebody almost went into a depression because, waiting for a commitment, I think, which never came. A commitment which was never offered. The dream was to have this Four of Wands, but somebody never offered it. So, Hermit in reverse, Spirit. Hermit in reverse. Yes, I think now somebody feels that things are out in the open now. It's on the table, writing is on the wall, that this person is never really going to put in any work. So why am I staying in hermit mode now? I might as well get myself out of it and maybe see what else is out there. Six of Wands. Oh, Six of Wands. And the Ace of Swords. Oh my God. And the Six of Pentacles. I don't believe this. Now somebody always happens, doesn't it? Just when you start healing your heart, feeling better, saying, hey, can I move? I think I'll move on now. This person is never going to put in any work. There is somebody here who now wants to step up and become, take charge and show up as the emperor. I have a feeling it's the same person, because this person in actuality is feeling rather ashamed and embarrassed of their own behavior. They really, really do want to take action now, but still feeling quite, they don't know how to face their partner. But they want to now show up as the emperor and the king of wands. This person has lied to you before. They know they've lied to you before, but the biggest lie that they told you ever was they actually are madly in love with you. They never gave to the connection. Maybe earlier they were only taking, never, balancing this connection out. They were so used to taking. This person was, they liked attention. As this king of wands is a person who likes to have people fawn over them. So this person never really gave as much back as much as they took. They're recognizing their part, they're recognizing why this new beginning has stalled now, but this person does want to start from scratch once again. They want to come in and offer a stable, brand new beginning, and they want to heal this connection. They're seeing their person as their wish come true. And as much as I think person A whatever this other person who was trying to heal themselves was trying to move on for a fresh new beginning now elsewhere, I think this is the person who wants to now come and offer this to you. The same person who lied to you in the past. The lie was that they were madly in love with you and they do love you, except that they were probably enjoying the attention they were getting and they did something really stupid. And now this person is very, very stressed out, big time. They're in their head because they feel if they do come forward, they may get rejected. Right? But this person does want to now show up as the emperor. They want forgiveness. So it's totally up to you, Pisces. Okay? Even energetically, because I see a lot of energetic movement cards here, even if energetically you are kind of rejecting them, then they're going to stay in that mental prison of their own. They won't be able to come forward. So if you do want them back, I think just put in a little prayer and say, I forgive you, and let's talk, or something like that, because this person is very, very, very stressed out. They know what they've done. They know what they've done, but they do want this. They feel it's their wish fulfillment here. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.